Want to learn how to change the colors of an image inside Canva super fast? It's easy. Let me show you right now. So, I'm going to show you the fastest way to change an image's color in Canva. I'll go to Elements, then down to Photos, and I'll search for car. I'll use this one. Now, I want to change that color, so I'll come up here, click on that, go to Edit, and choose Magic Grab. Then I'll click the car and grab. Now, as you can see, the car is removed from the original image and is a separate layer. To change the color, I'll click Edit and go to Adjust, and I'm going to go down here and do this. If I like that blue, I could keep that, or, if I want to, I can change it to purple, pink, or something else. So that's one way to change the color in Canva. Alright, let's try another example. Let's use this one. Since this one doesn't have a background to remove it from, I'm just going to leave it as is. I'll go to Edit, Adjust, then go down here. This time I'll go to the yellow color of the car and change it. I could make it darker, or change it to this, and then change this around a little too. If you changed both of them, there's a lot you could do, but that's how you change the color from yellow to blue in just a second. Okay? If you like that car, but you don't like the color, you can change it. Click on the image, click on Edit, go to Magic Grab, grab it. And now the car is a new layer. So go to Edit, go to Adjust, come down here, and go to the red car color. Now, let's change it. Watch this. So that's how you can change any of these image colors in just a second, okay? This is a great trick and Canva makes it super easy. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.